If you're experiencing the Cloud Save Error 2026 in Rocket League, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back to playing without interruptions. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Rocket League server status page to ensure that the server is up and running. If there are ongoing issues, you may need to wait until they are resolved. Step 2. Restart the game. Close Rocket League completely and restart it. This can refresh your connection to the servers and may resolve temporary glitches causing the error. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're playing on Steam or Epic Games, use the built-in feature to verify the integrity of game files. This process will check for any corrupted files and replace them, which can fix the error. Step 4. Clear cache. For console players, clearing the cache can help. Power off your console, unplug it for a few minutes, then plug it back in and restart. This can clear any temporary data that might be causing the issue. Step 5. Relink your account. If the problem persists, try unlinking and then relinking your Epic Games account from the Rocket League settings. This can refresh your account connection and resolve any syncing issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the Cloud Save Error 2026 and enjoy your game without further interruptions. If problems continue, consider reaching out to Rocket League support for additional assistance.